This is a full individual session in my basement. The reason I was in my basement was because there was a snowstorm outside. But anyways, I started with 10 minutes of free juggle, just getting my touch warm. Then I went into 15 minutes of wall juggling, hitting all parts of my foot, including the inside, the outside, and the laces. Then went into 10 minutes of ball mastery, working on quick feet. Doing multiple variations, each one twice. Finally, went into 10 minutes of wall passing, working on my first touch, as well as doing multiple variations, each one twice. And that's a full training session in my basement.